Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Are you tired of anxiety taking over your life? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide experience anxiety, whether it's triggered by work stress, personal relationships, or the overwhelming state of the world. In this video, we're going to delve deeper and explore the often overlooked factors that contribute to anxiety, while providing practical tips to help you manage them effectively. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell symbol, then select all notifications to never miss a video upload from us. But before we begin, make sure to stick around until the end for a special resource that can help you find instant relief from anxiety. So, let's get started. 1. Overcommitment. In our fast-paced society, the constant pursuit of productivity and success can inadvertently lead to stress, anxiety, and burnout. Discover how overcommitment affects your mental well-being and learn valuable strategies to regain balance in your life, such as delegation, setting boundaries, and the power of saying no. If you're feeling overwhelmed with your responsibilities, implementing these tips can make a world of difference. 2. Negative self-talk and self-criticism. Do you find yourself caught in a cycle of self-doubt and worry? Negative self-talk can be a significant contributor to anxiety. Explore the various forms of negative self-talk and gain insights into challenging and replacing these harmful thoughts with positive and affirming ones. By shifting your internal dialogue, you'll boost your confidence and capabilities, ultimately reducing anxiety. 3. Overstimulating. Modern life bombards us with sensory overload, from loud noises and bright lights to incessant information streams. Learn how overstimulating impacts your nervous system. Discover the effects of stimulants like caffeine, and uncover the importance of self-care and setting healthy limits. Take control of your environment and well-being by practicing self-care techniques that combat overstimulating. 4. Avoidance. Have you ever realized that avoiding anxiety-inducing situations only perpetuates your fears and makes it harder to overcome them? Explore the detrimental effects of avoidance on anxiety management and discover the power of facing your fears gradually while developing healthy coping strategies. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace the opportunity to become more resilient and in control of your thoughts and emotions. 5. Clutter. Did you know that a cluttered and disorganized space can significantly impact your stress and anxiety levels? Understand the connection between your physical environment and your mental well-being, and gain practical tips for decluttering and creating a peaceful, productive atmosphere. Start organizing your surroundings today and experience the positive impact on your overall mental state. 6. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection can be a never-ending cycle of pressure and disappointment, fueling anxiety. Discover the harmful effects of perfectionism and learn strategies to practice self-compassion, set realistic expectations, and seek support from others. Embrace imperfection and celebrate progress on your journey to reducing anxiety. 7. Catastrophizing. Do you often find yourself caught in a web of catastrophic thoughts, imagining the worst-case scenarios? Gain insights into the detrimental effects of catastrophizing and learn effective techniques to challenge and refocus your mind, such as questioning the likelihood of outcomes and practicing mindfulness. Free yourself from the grip of catastrophic thinking and embrace a more balanced perspective. 8. Lack of sleep or post-sleep quality. Quality sleep is crucial for managing anxiety, yet sleep deprivation can exacerbate your symptoms. Understand the connection between sleep and anxiety, and discover practical strategies to prioritize and improve your sleep habits. Implement these tips to create a solid foundation for better mental health and anxiety management. 9. Social isolation and loneliness. Humans are social creatures, and social connection is a fundamental need that shouldn't be overlooked. Explore the impact of social isolation and loneliness on anxiety, and learn strategies to nurture meaningful relationships and build a supportive community. Take the initiative to connect with others and experience the positive effects on your overall well-being. Anxiety can be debilitating, but by understanding its contributing factors, you can regain control of your life. Recap the 9 factors we've explored and emphasize the importance of seeking professional support if needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on anxiety management. Thank you for watching.